Me and some friends are up here in Big Bear. Baja Designs came by the shop today and they have some new vehicle-specific brackets. They got them bolted up on the Jeeps and now we're gonna try them out tonight. All right, guys, we're gonna get off the pavement and get into the dirt and get on the trail. Right now, we're basically going on the backside of Big Bear, trying to get the perfect sunset. The sun's gone, but the view is unbelievable. Oh. You wanna pull up right here? One of the nicest features on the JT is the fact that first you can bolt the light bars on. Their new vehicle-specific brackets make it very easy. Then with the wiring loom, Jeep has now put the auxiliary switch panel under the hood. All the wiring can go right to the fuse block. That way when you come in here, boom, lights already have the switches, it's ready to go. So turn everything, it's plug and play. The Jeep truck is made for Baja Design lights. It's a shot right there. Like, come on, sexy as that. Looking good. You guys ready to go? Let's roll.
Just left the lookout. Got Casey Currie up in front, leading the pack. Kind of excited to see what these Baja Designs are gonna do.
These are just the factory LED package headlights on the JL. From there we top off with the LP6, which gives us quite a bit of light, spot and spread. All of this light is essential to really like being able to enjoy yourself safely at night on the trails.
All right, we're gonna start out. You're gonna stay on the left side of this rock in the middle of the road. Then we'll have you turn back to the right, kind of go over these broken rocks in the middle of the road, and then we'll come back up to the left. Back, yep, to your left a little bit. To your left, 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 right there. Perfect, straight ahead. Woo-hoo-hoo. Looking good out here, nighttime shoot. Light in the night. Perfect. Little rock slate. You're gonna put them on there, put the lockers on. See if we can spin some tires. You're good right there. Right there. Oh, that was it. Just keep staying straight for a little bit. Now turn. Now turn. There you go. Keep turning. You're good. It'll come down. Hold on. Hold on. Stop.
So my first time coming out with Baja Designs and Casey. Hope to make it a habit. It's definitely a good time. Definitely great to be testing the best lights in the business, and really happy to be a part of it.